Welcome to Next Up. In this video, we'll be exploring 10 mind-blowing future technologies that you won't believe exist, even though they're already here in 2023. From Translator earbuds to a 3D printer that creates objects out of thin air, these inventions are set to change the way we live and work. So let's dive straight in. First up, we have Translator earbuds that can translate 40 different languages in real time. No more struggling to communicate with people in foreign countries. With these earbuds, you'll be able to have seamless conversations with anyone, anywhere. What this means is that if you are traveling to a foreign country where you don't speak the language, you can simply pop these earbuds in your ears and communicate with the locals without any hassle. The earbuds can recognize the language being spoken and translate it into a language that you understand, allowing for seamless communication. Moreover, these earbuds can be a game changer for people who work in multilingual environments, such as multinational corporations or international organizations. They can facilitate communication between employees who speak different languages, improving collaboration and productivity. Overall, the Translator earbuds are an excellent example of how technology can help break down language barriers and promote cross-cultural communication. With these earbuds, you can communicate with anyone, anywhere, regardless of the language they speak, which can open up a world of opportunities and experiences. Next, we have a headset called HushMe that muffles your voice to keep your conversations private. It even has fun masking sounds like squirrel and Darth Vader. The HushMe headset is a unique device that is designed to protect your privacy during conversations. It is a wearable gadget that covers your mouth and uses a special technology to muffle your voice, making it difficult for others to overhear your conversations. One of the primary benefits of HushMe is that it allows you to have private conversations in public spaces without the fear of being overheard. Whether you are in a coffee shop, on a train or bus, or even in a busy office, HushMe can help keep your conversations confidential. Third, we have a Gecko Smart Whistle. The Gecko Smart Whistle is a smart device that provides an extra level of safety and security for people who travel alone or who frequently find themselves in potentially dangerous situations. The device is small and easy to carry, and it works by sending virtual SOS signals to a selected group of contacts whenever the user blows the whistle. One of the most significant advantages of the Gecko Smart Whistle is its discretion. Unlike traditional whistles, which can be loud and attention-grabbing, the Gecko Smart Whistle emits a soft, low-pitched sound that won't attract unwanted attention. This can be particularly useful in situations where the user doesn't want to draw attention to themselves, such as when walking alone at night or in a crowded area. If you're enjoying this video so far, hit that like button to show your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Fourth, we have a sleek number 360 smart bed that uses responsive air technology to sense your movements and automatically adjust its firmness and support, ensuring you have the most comfortable sleep possible. To use the Sleep Number 360 bed, you simply need to adjust the settings on the accompanying app. The app allows you to set preferences for firmness, support, and other features, and it will provide you with a sleep IQ score. Let me redo this. To use the Sleep Number 360 smart bed, you simply need to adjust the settings on the accompanying app. The app allows you to set preferences for firmness, support, and other features, and it will provide you with a sleep IQ score each morning that measures the quality of your sleep. Overall, the Sleep Number 360 smart bed is an innovative and highly advanced piece of technology that can help you get a better night's sleep. Fifth, we have Smarty Pan, an innovative cooking utensil that calculates the nutrition of your meal as you cook in the pan, making sticking to a healthy eating plan a breeze. Additionally, the Smarty Pan app provides personalized recipes and meal plans based on your dietary preferences and goals. The app also allows you to track your progress over time and provides helpful tips and advice to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Overall, SmartyPan is a useful tool for anyone looking to improve their nutrition and make healthier choices in the kitchen. Sixth, we have the Profix, a smart toothbrush that uses an app to show you photos and live video of the inside of your mouth as you brush your teeth. Using a corresponding app on your smartphone, you can see the live feed of your teeth and gums as you brush, giving you a clear picture of areas you may be missing or need to pay more attention to. The app also provides you with a summary of your brushing habits, showing you how long you brushed, where you brushed, and how much pressure you applied. The toothbrush comes with a charging case and a USB cable for easy charging, and the app is available for both iOS and Android devices for free. With the Profix, you can take your oral hygiene to the next level and achieve a brighter, healthier smile. Seventh, we have the Smarter Fridge Cam, which allows you to see inside of your fridge through the smartphone, so you can easily stock up on what you need without overbuying. The device also has a feature called Fridge Cam Notify, which alerts you when a food item is about to expire or go bad. You can set up notifications for specific items or categories of items, such as dairy or produce, and the device will send you a push notification when it's time to use or discard them. The device is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, which means you can use voice commands to check the contents of your fridge, add items to your shopping list, or get notified when something needs to be used or thrown away. With the Smarter Fridge Cam, you can reduce food waste, save money on groceries, and always have a well-stocked fridge. Eighth, we have Furbo, a doggy cam that lets you see and talk to your pet and dispense treats to them from anywhere. The Furbo camera comes equipped with a 1080p Full HD camera and night vision, providing clear video footage of your pet, even in low light conditions. It also features a two-way audio system that lets you communicate with your dog in real time through your smartphone or tablet. But the best feature of the Furbo is the ability to dispense treats to your pet. With a simple tap on your phone, you can launch a treat into the air, encouraging your dog to catch it. This not only provides a fun and interactive experience for your dog, but also allows you to reward good behavior, even when you're not home. In addition to these features, the Furbo app also offers a variety of customization options, such as the ability to set up activity alerts for when your dog is barking or when someone enters the room. Overall, Furbo is a great device for pet owners who want to stay connected to their pets and provide them with a little extra love and attention, even when they're away from home. Ninth, we have Carbon's M1 3D printer, which uses digital light synthesis to create objects out of thin air, revolutionizing manufacturing and supply chain logistics. One of the key benefits of DLS technology is its ability to produce parts with exceptional detail and resolution, making it ideal for manufacturing high-performance, intricately designed products. Additionally, the process is significantly faster than traditional manufacturing methods, allowing for rapid prototyping and production. Carbon's M1 3D printer has been used to create a wide range of products from high-performance bike seats to custom dental aligners. Its ability to rapidly produce high-quality parts is revolutionizing the manufacturing and supply chain logistics industry, enabling companies to produce parts on demand and reduce lead times for product development. Finally, we have AI Can, an AI system capable of creating original works of art that are indistinguishable from those created by humans. One of the main advantages of AI Can is its ability to create original works of art that can truly stand out. While other AI systems can generate art based on existing images or styles, AI can create entirely new compositions that have never been seen before. AI Can has been used in several art exhibitions. AI Can has been used in several art exhibitions, and it also received critical acclaim for its ability to produce high-quality artwork. However, it has also sparked debates about the role of AI in the art world, and whether machines can truly create art. Nevertheless, AI Can represents a significant advancement in the field of AI, and has the potential to change the way we think about creativity and art. These technologies are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what's possible. Who knows what incredible inventions the future will bring? Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel to never miss a video.